Hey folks, you like warm, humid weather, you've got about 24 hours of this, and then it changes pretty dramatically tomorrow night as a cool front comes in. These are the currents. It's 82 McAllen, 86 in Rio Grande City. West Laco's at 80. Everybody else in the upper 70s, all the way to the island. 77 there right now. Low temperatures tonight in the 70s, except Raymondville, 68 degrees there. Partly cloudy skies, clouds thickening up as the night goes on. And then tomorrow, look at this, 90 plus in the western half of the valley, upper 80s in the eastern part, and then 79 at the beach. A little bit cooler there, surrounded by the cooler water. Look what happens, though. Normal high is 82. Tomorrow we're 90, but look at Friday, 58 for a high. What a drop from one day to the next. And then Saturday, we're back to 70. Probably won't see a lot of sunshine, but at least temperatures will kind of warm back a little closer to normal. Satellite and radar not showing much today. Certainly nothing on radar. And satellite, just some patchy clouds around. Now, as we go through the nighttime hours, again, clouds thicken up a little bit. And I think tomorrow we're probably mostly cloudy. It's a mostly cloudy day across the entire region. Then tomorrow night, it gets a little more interesting. If you wait for it, here it comes, our front. This model suggests that by midnight, it's right on top of us, triggering showers and even a couple of thunderstorms embedded within this. At this point, we don't think we're going to see anything severe, but we do think there's potential for some pretty heavy rain between tomorrow night and the first part of the day on Friday. So keep an eye on this front as it comes through. We'll do that for you and watch how that rain develops. In the next half hour, Andrew's going to show us what the computers are forecasting for total rainfall amounts. But look how the chance goes from not much tomorrow during the daytime to 70% tomorrow night. Stays at about 60% the first part of the day on Friday, and then by Friday night we taper it off to 20%, and then the weekend at this point looks dry. We don't see anything around by the weekend. Fair amount of rain up in the Panhandle right now, and this whole mess, the front that's associated with this, will push southward, and likewise the rain will likely push southward as well. But we're still warm tomorrow. There's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's going to be a hot day with temperatures near 90 as we showed you. But then tomorrow night the front comes in, the warm air gets out of here, chilly air builds in behind it. I notice there's rain from here all the way up to about Waco for a time tomorrow night into the early part of the day on Friday. And by Friday afternoon, I think we start to see the rain taper off here, maybe some leftover stuff in the middle of Texas. And by Friday night, I think we're still cloudy, still could be an isolated shower, but the continuous rain, the bigger period of rain is from tomorrow night into the first part of the day on Friday. By Saturday, still cool to start the day, but as the day goes on, we'll warm back up a little bit. Clouds linger most of the day, but by Sunday, I think we get some breaks back in here, see some sunshine again, and with that, temperatures will warm back up. Yet another front then is due in here on Monday late, and that one has the potential to be even colder. We're going to watch, especially out in the ranch lands, we could see readings Monday night, Tuesday night, perhaps in the upper 30s. That's in the ranch lands. Rest of the valley, rest of the state, here's what you can expect if you're traveling tomorrow. Easy to pick out the front right here. 31 in Amarillo in the morning, while we're 72. By afternoon, we rebound into the 80s, perhaps near 90. San Antonio is only 62, Houston 71. If you got plans to go to Dallas, take a coat, 43 degrees for high temperature tomorrow afternoon. So your first 4-5 accurate weather forecast for tonight, 73, partly to mostly cloudy, warm and humid, east-southeasterly winds. And tomorrow, back up to 90. Enjoy it. We won't see 90 again for a while. Tomorrow night with the front, showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two. Breezy with showers on Friday, only 58 for a high, so significantly cooler. Saturday, more clouds than sun, back to 70. It's a mix of clouds and sun on Sunday, but probably a little more sunshine, 79. Monday's high will depend on timing of the front. If the front comes a little bit later, we could be up in the upper 80s again. Comes a little earlier, we won't get to 82, but then look at Tuesday, 52. In fact, we may spend a lot of the day on Tuesday only in the 40s. And then Tuesday night down to 40 degrees. Ranch lands perhaps into the upper 30s. So some cold weather coming in again Friday and then again early part of next week. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.